In the replacement process of the locking hook, rotate the bolt and the side of the fifth wheel leg counterclockwise to remove it, and remove the 2-pin shafts. Then remove the fifth wheel plate and remove the cotter pin and gasket of the lock hook pin. Remove the lock hook pin. Remove the pull spring between the two hooks so that the hook is removed. Then install and fix the no hook with the lock hook pin. Install the hook spring in place so that the 3510 hook replacement is complete.